Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the left fan, loosen the 4 captive screws on the back of the base cover. Remove the 6 screws on the front and sides of the cover. Pry the cover off the system. Carefully remove it as there may be a cable attached. Remove the cable if there is one. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the left fan and disconnect the cables. Remove the 2 screws and lift the fan out of the system. To reinstall the left fan, place it back in the system, reconnect the cables, and install the 2 screws. Plug in the battery cable and reconnect any cable that was attached to the base cover. Place the base cover back on the system and secure it with the 10 total screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.